Hello and welcome. Today, I'm testing how well the DJI Mini 5 Pro can track an 8th scale RC car and sharing the challenges involved.
I tested the RC car in bright orange and black to see if color affects drone tracking, using the DJI Mini 5 Pro with active tracking and, for comparison, the DJI Osmo Mobile 8.
I would be very grateful if I could continue this hobby. You can help me by leaving a like or subscribing to the channel. And may the karma be with you. The Mini 5 Pro's active tracking followed the RC car for about 10 seconds before losing it or behaving erratically. Tried spotlight tracking, where the drone stays in place and follows the car with its camera, which works much better sometimes tracking the RC car for nearly a minute, showing the drone can recognize it but struggles with automatic active tracking on small models.
black body is almost as dark as the wheels, making it hard for the drone's AI to distinguish them, while the bright orange body was more visible and recognized more often. DJI Mini 5 Pro can detect and track an 8th RC car, but its active tracking isn't perfect for small models. Spotlight tracking works better for longer shots, and a bright car color improves recognition. For filming small RC cars, pay attention to color and try different tracking modes. I hope you enjoyed this test and found some useful tips. If you have questions or experiences, please share them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you liked it. See you next time and have fun filming. I suspect the drone recognizes the RC car as a car but struggles with its small and 8th size, causing the AI to lose tracking when a real car nearby highlights the size difference.